Hi everyone, I'm Mark Angelo Gonzalez and welcome to our travel inspired pinboard application demo. So let's start with the first screen. You will see when the app runs, which is the login page. So in login page, users can enter their credentials to log in, like email and registered password. So there's also a forgot password option in case they need to recover access. For added convenience, we've included included a social login options with Facebook and Google. So just one click and you're in. So next is for users who don't have an account yet. So there's a sign up option. You can simply enter a username, email, and your chosen password. So once you registered, the app automatically logs you in and takes you to the next page. So there's no need to log in again manually.
Thanks, Jello. And hello, everyone. My name is Juan Paulo C. Palomares, and I'll show you what happens after registration. Right after signing up, users are taken to the category selection screen where they can select, choose, or find um, ideas that they are looking for. Here you can select the types of content you're interested in, like people, sports, fashion, animals, and anything that comes into your mind. Finding your finding your what do you call this? Finding your inspiration in making ideas. These categories help personalize what you'll see on your dashboard. After selecting, you are redirected to the main dashboard, where the real experience begins. The dashboard features a top navigation bar with several tabs: Explore, Create, um, Customer Support, Profile, and a Logout button. Um, these features um, will be discussed by my colleagues.
So let's proceed to explore, create, and pin features. So let's now explore the main features of the app. Starting with the Explore tab. In the Explore section, users can browse pins based on the categories they selected earlier. And if they want to change their preferences, they can re-edit their categories at any time from here. Now let's move Now let's move on to the Create tab. This is where users can make their own content or pins. And creating a pin is easy. Just upload an image, add a title and descriptions, and select a relevant categories. Once saved, the pin will be visible on your dashboard.
And I'll wrap this up. The support tab is designed to assist users whether they're facing issue, have question or want to leave feedback. This section is here to help. Next is the profile section. Clicking on your profile. Clicking on your profile allows you to update your username, email, or even your profile picture. And finally, when you're done, you can click log out to safely exit the application. That brings us to the end of our demo. Thank you so much for watching. On behalf of our team, Gonzalez, Palomares, Mediado, and myself, we hope you enjoy this walkthrough. Feel free to try the app and explore its feature.